Hey guys, another interesting job in today in OGS Mechanics. We have this VW Golf MK7 came in for engine running rough, and what we have found, it was quite interesting. Car came in from a different shop. It had a service carried out, and after that the vehicle started running rough, lack of power and generating misfire. And what we have found out, the spark plugs, as you can see, this is the one that has been replaced when the service has been carried out, and this is the original one that we ordered from dealer, are completely different. Therefore the combustion chamber was totally different, of course causing the engines to run rough. This is to underline the importance of using genuine parts when it's required, but also this is another case of technician lacking attention when installing parts, and then not understanding what has caused the engine to run rough. Again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics, one stop for all your vehicle needs.